Kiki. Today our topic is direct proportion, and we have two questions that I'm going to use to explain it. So let's get into it. The first question says 3 tins of milk cost 1 naira 65 kobo. Find the cost of 8 tins. To find the cost of 8 tins, we need to find out how much 1 tin costs before we can find out the cost of 8 tins. So if 3 tins cost 1 naira 65 kobo, we are going to do 8 tins equals to x naira. And then we need to find out how much 1 tin is first. So the 8 will change to 1, and then we're going to cross multiply. So we have 3 times x is 3x equals to 1.65 times 1 is 1.65. So we're going to do 3x over. So divide both sides by the coefficient of x. 3 will cancel itself. 3 into itself is 1, and 3 into 1.65 is 0.55. So this is going to help us find out how much 8 tins cost. If 1 tin is 0.55 naira, is 0.55 kobo, that means 8 tins will be x still. We are going to cross multiply, and x is equal to 0.55 times 8, which is 4.4 naira. So that is how you find out that is the value of 8 tins. And now to the second question. The second question says a factory uses 1,500 liters of oil in 6 weeks. How much oil is used in 1 week? Unlike this question is giving us the whole value and asking us to find a unit value. But this question, we found the unit value first before we were able to find the group value. But in this case, since we're just asked to find a unit value, just like here, we're going to divide. So if 6 weeks, so if 6 weeks is 1,500 liters, that means that 1 week will be x. And I'm going to cross multiply again. So it's going to be 6x equals to 1,500 divided by 6 divided by 6. 6 into itself is 1. 6 into 15 is 2, remaining 3, because 6 times 2 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3, so 3 will be joined with 0 to give 30. 6 into 30 is 5. So, and then the 0 will just be cancelled and got off. So that means that in 1 week, the company uses 250 liters of oil. And there's a little trick I like to use to remember how to solve each technique. If you're given a question like this, where you're given a whole value and asked to find the value for 1, that means you're going to divide like we did here. If it's the other way around and they said they use this amount in 1 week and we're asked to find out how much they use in 6 weeks, that means that we'll multiply instead of dividing like we did here. And in this question, like we did here, we found the value of 1 before we were able to use the value of that one to find the value of 8. So that is how to solve each of them. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you understood it. Like and subscribe. Bye!